Hey YouTube, guess what? I'm not dead! Yeah, it's been a while since I made a video. Stuff's been happening. Anyway, I'm gonna start this video off with a big shout out to fellow YouTuber and atheist, The Thinking Atheist. If you haven't been to his site, go there now, and if you haven't subscribed to him here, do it now. Links are in the sidebar. The reason I bring up The Thinking Atheist, besides the fact that he's a great guy that makes amazing videos, is that an event over at his website is what made me realize that I needed to make this video. See, TTA maintains a small but active user forum over on his site, and I'm the most active user. So when a theist came to the forum and started trolling the place, I was the first on the scene. Things went from there, resulting in the theist leaving the site in a huff after the members there, myself included, beat him in a logical debate, but that's not what I'm going to talk about right now. If you're one of my fellow The Thinking Atheist forumites, you really don't need to watch this video series, as it's just a recap of the debates we had with Martin B59, and you're probably sick to death of having to deal with the guy by now. Otherwise, though, don't touch that dial! Or, well, yeah. Anyway, this particular theist went by the username Martin B59, and he provided those of us at the Thinking Atheist forums with a veritable smorgasbord of theistic arguments and fallacies to work with. I thought it would be a good idea to show all of you YouTubers how to debunk them, so here we go. Here's the first part of Martin B59's first thread. Now, we're not going to go over the opening bit about atheists not existing, because it's idiotic. Instead, we're going to look at what he claims as evidence for his religion. Let's do this! The claim. All life is made entirely of left-handed amino acids. No experiment has ever been able to create left-handed amino acids. If scientists can't make left-handed amino acids, how can they have formed by chance? All life is made entirely of left-handed amino acids. Objection! Well, no. Not all life is made entirely of left-handed amino acids. There are life forms, typically bacteria, which use right-handed acids in addition to left-handed ones. Life could have started using both right-handed and left-handed acids, and then, for whatever reason, selected for left-handed acids later. Take that! Let's move on. No experiment has ever been able to create left-handed amino acids. Objection! Well, actually, yes, they have. In fact, one of the most famous experiments of all time, the Miller-Urey experiment, created left-handed amino acids. I mean, he would have known this if he had bothered to do 2 seconds research. Literally. That's how long it took me to find this out. Take that! Moving on, once again. If scientists can't make left-handed amino acids, how can they have formed by chance? Now, this is just a flat-out fallacy. It's the argument from ignorance. Just because Martin B59 can't personally come up with a way for this to have happened, or because the scientists can't, doesn't mean that it couldn't. You have to actually have evidence that it is physically impossible for it to happen. So, we can safely say, debunked. I'll get back to Martin B59 in my next video. There's much more to come, so stick around. The Wild Magic out. Live long and prosper.